Hey, I thought I will not be making any more videos till the end of this month due to my obligations. But then something happened. You see, YouTube channels, both big and small, collaborate frequently with tech and accessory manufacturers. And that's nothing new. At the same time, occasionally we can get additional information that we can read as a hint of what's coming. And not only that, it happened a couple of times before that accessories were already on sale before the main product was introduced. Based on that, I think I have something interesting for you. This will be short and painless, hopefully. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Markings. My name is Marko and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leak information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is powered by UPerfect, a company that makes some of the best external displays for Macs and PCs. A few weeks ago I've reviewed their dual stack Delta Max monitor with two 18.5-inch displays. Insane product. Well built, made of aluminum and plastic, excellent for business scenarios, arts and graphics, and obviously gaming. It allows you to use it in multiple positions and up to 360 degrees angle. Its color reproduction is great, it features satisfying 1000:1 contrast ratio, and it has a solid brightness level. With its OSD menu, it allows you to use its 4 operating modes: clone, expansion, standalone, and sequence mode, which has been my favorite. Check out the link in the description and in pinned comment. Get up to $80 of discount with Digital Markings 80 code. Now let's do this. An iPad 11 has been expected for the last 2 years, and it's been odd to see there was no news about this so-called budget tablet. Truth to be told, with the arrival of 10th generation, it kinda lost its affordable status, although Cupertino giant did eventually lower the price from $399 to $349. Don't get me started with EU prices. Robbery. The same thing is happening with the upcoming iPhone SE, which will be more expensive than its predecessors. And if we concluded correctly, this baby is coming on Wednesday, February 19. On some kind of a launch. As I anticipated, there were a few emails with questions about testing a few accessories, namely the one for the iPhone SE. I was cool with it, but I'm not going to buy it, so I will pass. But then I saw that alongside the latest iPhone SE or 16R, the newest member of the family, blah blah, that we may actually see an iPad 11, since it's been mentioned also. Now this is designated as a launch, right? And I believe there is a huge possibility that iPad 10 successor is really coming on Wednesday too. When we talk about its design, we don't have high hopes. And in best possible scenario, it could be a little bit thinner. To me, the biggest deal will be its chip, and it can only go in 2 ways, with A17 Pro or A18, which is more likely, in order to be fully compatible with Apple Intelligence. In either ways, if it's paired with more memory, it will mark a great milestone for Apple's entry-level tablet. And if you haven't upgraded from Generation 9, this would be the one to go for. I wouldn't rush with a new storage option, since there is a rumor that reveals how iPhone SE will remain stuck with 64 gigs of base storage, and that's depressing. The same fate could catch up with 11th generation. Another big deal with this product could be a new Folio keyboard, if we are to trust some earlier predictions by none other than Mark Gurman from Bloomberg. The rest does not matter that much. Laminated display may be too big improvement for 11th gen iPad, with everything else more up to date, and we know how Apple likes to milk the stuff. As far as camera goes, front facing and the one on the back should be no different than what we saw the last time. But I would prefer one thing, that it does not go beyond $399 price-wise. I truly do. Before I end this, let me mention a few more products that Apple could unveil this week. maybe another iPad Air lineup, which will practically be identical to the one from the previous year, except with the M3 at its belly, replacing M2 silicon. Also, in few articles, we've seen how Apple has been working on another AirTag, slightly updated, and if we looked at that tweet by Tim Cook, this launch animation kind of feels like an AirTag, right? Anyway, what do you think? What may arrive from Cupertino Giant this week? Please answer in the comment section below. That would be all. I hope you had fun watching this rant of mine. If you did, please subscribe, slap that thumbs up, and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Marketing Channel. I'm Marco. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.